This is for all my natural hair gurus on YouTube, okay? I got the secret. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. So today's video is brought to you by Wiggins Hair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Damn near every day, asking me a question like Jock, where you stay? Tell them college ball, where they chop cars. Eat 20 grand, spend a grand at the bar. Just about his own, J's on my feet. I'm on that Patron, so get like me. 69 cutlass with the bucket seats. Beat in my trunk, bought it just for the freaks. Catch me in the hood, posted at the stove. Pistol in my lap on the phone, counting dough. If your girl chew, let her do a thing. Just like a mama, nice ass, nice brain. Everybody love me, I'm so fly. Nigga throw the deuces every time I ride by. I know you wonder why, I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Cubes on my neck, pocket full of bent frames. When I'm in the mall, hoes just pause. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work, make the block bump. Boys in the hood, call me Black Donald Trump. Dope boy magic, 7 days a week. Number 1 record, longest nitty on the beat. Who I think they like me, better yet I know. Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Niggas know my crew, we certified stars. Belly in the front, top 30.
So like I said, this unit comes to us from Wiggins Hair. This is only my second time working with them. So when they hit me up to try their headband units, I was like, you know what? Come on, let's do this. Okay, so this is their coily headband unit. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $81.19. Now, depending on the length you get for your unit, the price can go up. You can choose your length between 10 and 30 inches. I like those options. Now, even though I was tempted to get me some bundles, okay, I decided to stay in the safe zone and I kept it at 18 inches. So my unit is $164.83. Now, I do have a coupon code that will save you about $8 on your order, so definitely check that joint out if you plan on getting this unit for yourself. You also get 2 free headbands with your unit, or you can get 5 random headbands for $5. Okay, so get the grabbing. Now, the cap construction for this one is just about the same as all the other ones. However, these come with the little snap combs. Why am I calling them snap combs? The little clips. They come with the clips instead of the actual combs, okay? So you get 3 across the front here, and then you also get 2 in the back. I did, surprisingly, use the 2 on the front here. I wanted to make sure my unit was secured down. So I did use my snap combs, okay, under my wig grip and secured it to the wig grip. And because the unit comes with the clips in the back, I could not secure it down the way that I wanted to. I definitely do not like using those little clips in the back. I need my nape too. I need my edges and my nape, okay? I need both. So right now, it's kind of have it hooked under the little Velcro strap. So if Kenny want to get a little feisty and flip my hair up, he gonna get some surprises. But you can bobby pin that joint down and be fine, okay? I will also say near the band, between where the hair and the band meets, based on some other headband units that I've tried, it's normally pretty flat. However, this one has like a little hump in it. It's basically made like the band was sewed forward and then folded back and sewed again. So it gives like a little hump between the band and the actual hair. It's not a hump that's noticeable, but you can definitely feel it, okay? So it's noticeable to the touch. As far as the cap size, you guys know my head is swollen every day, okay? 23 gang gang. And this cap is actually fitting down pretty well on my head. It's very comfortable. It feels lightweight on my head. Like I don't feel any type of pressure or nothing, y'all. And I have this joint secured down as best as possible so I don't have no slippage. And I'm feeling very comfortable and secure in my wig. As you saw on the put down, the unit does come like, you know, tightly curled. So when you do wash your unit, it will loosen the curl a little bit. But when you use your products and kind of snap them back up, they'll be just fine. I did not, don't judge me, I did not wash my unit just because I knew this was a lot of hair and I just wasn't, I didn't feel like it. I will be washing this after the fact because, you know, I'll be wearing her again. I did go through and finger comb the unit, and then I used my little comb here and I just combed through it just a little bit to make it a little bit bigger. And y'all, she is giving me everything. You hear me? When I say everything, I mean everything. She looks so good and natural. Do you hear me? Look how natural she looks, okay? Do y'all see that curl? Can you see the curl? Do you see the curl pattern of this joint? She looks so good. Can y'all see in the back? Let me show you the back. The side, and then the back. Can y'all see that? It's probably too dark. It's full in the back. Like, y'all see that? It has a lot of movement to her. Like, she just looks really good, y'all. She looks really good. And I finally got me a little pearl headband, y'all. I was pressed. When I opened the package and I saw this joint, I was like, oh yeah. My girl Brittany be rocking these a lot. And I'm like, man, she looks so pretty. Every time I see her in one, I'm like, oh, there she go. There she go again with that pearl headband. I love it. I love it. I want one. And finally, I got one, y'all. Yay. They also sent me some little hair wraps here. Let me go ahead and open this one. It's the noises for me. Man, see, they tricked me again. God dang it. I thought it was gonna be the scarf. I got real excited. But these are just like the little long headbands. So you can wrap these around and do little things like that. I think for this one will match a little bit better with my outfit, I think. Okay, so let's go ahead and wrap this joint up around here like this. Okay, y'all, she cute. That headband is cute. I like that. I like that. I know somebody gonna ask me already. So if you do not want to leave your edges out, you can definitely use these headbands to cover them joints up. You can definitely wrap it around your head so you don't have to see your hairline if you don't want to. Got my little big bow here. A little half up, half down like this. And the way the puff works, it will cover the headband. This hair is very full. I don't know what density this is. Out the pack, it looked like maybe like a 180, but obviously fluffed up, it's definitely bigger than that. I like the big hair and the big hair likes me. We here, okay? I feel like a queen to be. She looks so natural and I'm jealous of this hair, y'all. I am jealous of this hair because it looks so good. Now, even though I didn't wash this unit, I did get some shedding with it when I went through to pull through it a little bit. So be mindful of that. Not a lot though, but I kind of expect a little bit more shedding when I do go in and wash it, just based on the texture of this unit. I also went in during the put down, as you saw, and kind of cut a little bit of layers here in the front. Nothing crazy though, but the unit is pretty much all one length all the way around. So I wanted to give it, you know, a little bit more of a tapered look to me. Mufasa. Am I on backwards? Is this backwards? What's going on? Yeah, I think she was on backwards. Oops. And for $160, I feel like this is a great deal. Okay, it's a great deal for this length, for this texture, and for this density. And there's a coupon. You can save some money. Okay, this is a great deal in my opinion. Every single unit that I've tried on my channel that is in this texture are worth their price point. Okay, this one is not as soft as the, you know, the higher price version. However, this one will still last me a long time. So if you don't want to spend $300, $400 on a headband wig, you can definitely step back a little bit and get one of this price point, of this quality, and get the same look. So what y'all think about this one? Would you rock your hair this big? Yes, I would, because it looks good. Bars. This is for all my natural hair gurus on YouTube, okay? I got the secret. Okay, I ain't mad at her. Okay, I'm not mad at her. And guess what? You shouldn't be either, all right? Shout out one more time to Wiggins Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below so you guys want to check it out. You can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.